You know that this is prohibited, Your Highness.
If someone finds out, and I won't tell, will you tell, Lance?
Yes.
You mean that, or should I start?
やめてください。
Stay?
You can't stop it, Shadow. Something snapped. It's primal urges. I'm gonna let nature go and kill them.
Hear me out. In 30 seconds, I'm gonna step away and let you go.
Yes, thank you.
And then you will have a choice. You can indulge your primal urges with them. Or you can let them go and indulge your primal urges with me.
I just wanted to tell you that it was very brave of you to face that monster like that. For me. And also that it was very funny that you did it even knowing that you didn't have a chance. You were just so small.
Is there a point to all this?
Maybe.
Want a kiss?
Do you think you can come over here and make fun of me and... Isn't it starting to get cold?
No.
Yeah, no.
Come on!
What? I can't believe you're cold.
I am not.
All that fur and still, really?
I'm not cold. But if I were, a little, what could I do?
Oh, I don't know. How about I hug you tight and rub your belly and keep you warm?
I'm cold.
Gah!
Hey, Shadow! Stay with me till the end!
Okay.
Okay.
So, touching?
Later that night.
Do you take him as your lawfully wedded hedgehog?
Yes!
Yes.
Later.
How did it happen?
What's up, Shadow? Got something to say to me? You've been attached to me lately.
Yeah, here's my proposal.
What?
Do you accept it?
Oh, wow. Is this a Chaos Emerald? You are so straightforward, Shadow. I accept it.
You're so cute, Sonic. Sonic, don't you ever feel stress? Or do you at least worry too much?
What do you mean?
I always see you as very optimistic despite everything that happens around you. Sometimes it seems like nothing really affects you.
Oh no, I've gotten to worry a lot at times, but I always try to recover quickly. You know, someone has to save the day after all.
Then how do you calm down?
You know, there's a technique I've heard around, I think Amy taught me, that helps me sometimes.
I should ask Amy to teach me.
Want me to teach you?
Okay, what do I do?
Yes! Okay, first take a deep breath and focus. Now, tell me 5 things you can see.
The sky, trees, clouds, rocks, and my feet, does that count?
I guess it does. Keep breathing, okay? Now say 4 things you can feel.
I can feel the grass, my gloves, the earth, and my hand.
Good. Now tell me 3 things you can hear.
The wind, some birds, and insects.
2 things you can smell.
I guess it's an ambient smell. And lemon.
And now something you can taste.
Is it mint? It is mint.
Oh, shut up! I've been waiting for this a long time. I wasn't going to ruin it with bad breath. I haven't touched a chili dog in weeks.
Oh, you poor little thing. Let's go get you some chili dogs. Ah, Sonic, slow down, please.
Gotta eat fast.
You'll burn yourself, dumb hedgehog. Ramen is too hot.
Hey, Shadow!
Huh?
Want me to take them off for you?
Sonic.
Probably gonna regret that.
I love you too, Shadow. When did you? Shadow, what did you do?
Are you sure it doesn't look weird on me?
Sorry, Nux. We gotta keep it Sonum, you know? Maybe in Prime.
Sonic, why do you have a plush of me?
Oh, see that? I just squish it when I'm stressed. I bet you this ring that I can give you a kiss without touching your lips.
Without touching my lips?
Yep.
You cannot.
Let's bet.
You can't. It's impossible.
Let's bet.
All right, go on. Prove me I'm wrong.
Here, I lost.
Hey!
Hypnosis? So you can turn me into an obedient zombie or what?
I'll just dumb you down. But it's practically new, doesn't always work.
Oh, do it on me. I want to be a zombie.
That's not... I don't know if it'll work.
Therefore, practice with me. Come on, never been hypnotized.
I want to know if it's a real thing. Let me focus, gotta visualize a pattern.
A pattern? I thought you'll use some magic words.
Shush.
Gee, sorry.
Okay.
Woo, cool.
Now don't look away. Stay.
Okay.
Stay. You'll make me force it?
Sorry, I'm sorry, you're right. I won't fight it.
Stare at me.
Fine.
Face me.
I am...
Does it work? How do you feel?
Feels funny.
I guess that means it did. Which means I get 5 minutes of peace.
You know, Shad, you don't need to give me flowers on every date we have.
First, I don't do it in every date. And second is just in case something happens to your old ones.
Oh, don't worry about that. I have a special place for all of them. I love them. Pirates? And are you the Captain Rouge? You sure would be a leader of treasure thieves.
The captain.
You bilge blue rat, it's me.
Ooh,
Oh my. Hello, handsome.